Hello, this is your Congressman Michael Burgess. I'd like to take just a minute to address the crippling effects that the new health care law is having on our current budget. Last month alone, our deficit reached $223 billion. That's $223 billion of red ink for the shortest month of the year. And let me remind you, that number does not even begin to include the government subsidies that are going to help pay for the mandated insurance plans that were created by the health care law that is now 1 year old. Look, as a doctor with 25 years of experience, I'll be the first to say that healthcare in this country is in need of reform. It is vital that the uninsured have access to coverage regardless of pre-existing conditions or economic status. At the same time, it's imperative that those satisfied with their current coverage be allowed to keep it. Coverage is insignificant if that coverage fails to sufficiently meet the needs of individuals that it claims to protect. This is where we currently find ourselves in the United States. We are betting the mortgage on a crippled horse. We are spending money that we don't have on legislation that is deeply flawed and will never perform as intended. From start to finish, the health care law was poorly crafted and has created more cost, more bureaucracy, and more chaos during a time when America is already having difficulty enough. To make matters worse, the follow-through has been abysmal and substandard, and oftentimes we can't even get simple questions answered from the Department of Health and Human Services to questions regarding the implementation of the law. We simply cannot afford to settle for inferior health care, particularly health care that is inferior and more expensive at the same time. Simply put, we simply must not spend more to get less. Thank you for listening, and I hope you will visit my website, burgess.house.gov, for more information on the issues I've discussed and other legislative issues before the United States Congress. Thank you for your time and attention, and as always, God bless Texas.